Hey, it's me. It's Kate and James Beauty. It's me. It's me.
We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter.
We just got
Wonder who it's from.
Wonder who it's from. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaden. This is Kate and James Beauty. This is a little brown package I got today. It is from Fenty Beauty. There are 2 items in here. I like to review makeup. I would review makeup the rest of my YouTube career. Is a hobby a career? I don't think so. Overall, I just love makeup. I love buying it. I love smelling it. I love feeling it. I love touching it. I love trying it. I do have on makeup now. I'm gonna be taking that off. All right, let's look at my bag and see what I got today. I got the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Powder Foundation. I also got the Fenty Beauty, this is new now, the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint. So we got the Blurring Skin Tint and the Pro Filt'r Foundation, Press Foundation. But I'm quite excited, if I do say so myself, to try it out. I do not own anything Fenty, and I never have owned anything Fenty. So this is gonna be fun. I'm so excited, actually very excited. So let me go take off my makeup and I'll be right back and we'll get into the video. That was really fucking stupid. I'll be right back and we'll get into the video. No makeup. I picked up this Chapstick Total Hydration. My lips have been really chapped lately, so I wanted to try something different. It says it's Total Hydration, Coconut Hydration, 3-in-1 Lip Care. It has some type of ingredients that's supposed to help your lips. I think vitamins, like vitamin B or something. Anyways, we're not here for fucking chapstick. So like I was saying, I got the Fenty Beauty Eaze Drop and the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Foundation Powder. I'm really excited to try these. I love the packaging already. I've never owned anything Fenty, so I really don't know what to expect. These are on both opposite ends of the spectrum. Look at these big ass waters you can get at Dollar General, and it's not purified, it's spring water, which is what I like. Daddy likes that, yeah. Well, I finally got some MAC Fix Spray. I haven't had MAC Fix Spray in a long time. I want to use a little bit of moisturizer. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Holy Hydration Moisturizer. I bought the travel size kit for $20. It has the drops, the eye cream, all that in it. This is the Holy Hydration Eye Cream. I'm just gonna put a little bit. I probably put way too much. Wow, that was way too much. Don't use this much. Let's use some Glassy Primer, because I love this. I use this on a lot of looks. Hello? And this is just to add hydration in my cheeks. I'm not going to use a poreless primer today because both of these foundations are supposed to cover up pores, fine lines, and whatnot. Part 1 of this video, we are going to open up the Eaze Drop first. This is the Fenty Beauty Eaze Drop. The Fenty Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint is what this is actually called, the Blurring Skin Tint. Odd price, it's $29.50. A quick description, it's a blurring skin tint that delivers smooth and intently blurred skin and just a... Instantly blurred skin, and just a few easy drops in 25 flexible shade options. I got shade 10. See the shade? I guess that'll be my color, right? Shade 10. Here we go with shade 10. I'm going to open it from the... Yep, I'm gonna open it from the bottom. And drum roll, please. Oh, nice. This is pretty. The bottle's squishy, not squishy, but it's flexible. I guess because it's drops. Wow, shade 10, I hope this is a match. I like this bottle, it feels portable. Let's give it an open. It twists off. Oh, cool, it's a little, what would you call that, an eyedropper, skin dropper? Let's drop a little bit just to try it out. Oh yeah, that's cool, that's cool. It's thick, oh, it's a lot thicker than I expected, that's good. I like that. I'm glad that it's thick. Oh, it's actually a lot thicker than I expected. Look at that. I want you to be able to see this because this is supposed to be pore blurring. Getting rid of the pores. Let's just drop it straight on the skin. I like how thick these drops are because they're not going down my face. Again, this is shade 10 and this is application with a brush. Okay, it really shears out nicely. That's good. So far, first impressions are nice. I don't really like applying stuff like this with a brush. This is Mario Badescu Skincare facial spray with aloe and herbs and stuff like that, just to add a little bit of... I'm going to use a little bit of a firmer sponge for this. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. And I am going to take it on the sponge and I'm going to dab it on. Yeah, already I like sponge application better. Now it seems to dry my skin just a little bit. Now the real test is going to be on my nose. In the mornings, I like something quick that I can just put on my nose to cover up my pores and stuff and my T-zone. So that's why I use the It CC cream, because it's quick and I know it covers up my pores every time. Do you see my pores? All right, so let's take my finger. Actually, I want to use my finger first, because this is what I would do in the morning. I would use my finger and I would rub it all over my nose. It did cover up my pores, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's definitely covering up my pores. I think applying this, I would rather just use my fingers to rub it in, honestly. Let me try on the forehead, because that'll really tell us a lot. My forehead has pores, it creases, it actually has one big hole right here. You guys, I wanted this to be a success. I really did. I had high hopes. And it's not bad. It's really, really not bad. I promise you it's not bad. Just as a male that lives in a small town that is really searching for a natural makeup look, you can just kind of tell it's on your skin. I don't know. It kind of makes my skin just looks dry. I think it's just the wrong time of day. My skin tends to hold on to stuff better in the morning when it's fresh and dewy, fresh out the shower. So hopefully in the morning time, when I try this, it'll be a little bit better. Let's, just for shits and giggles, use it as a concealer to see what happens. Maybe this will be just like a concealer type situation. Now, as a concealer, I can see it. I can see this being a really good concealer. It almost makes me want to buy some Fenty concealer just to try the concealer. It's still pretty sheer underneath my eyes, but it's coverage. It really is coverage. I can't say the coverage isn't there, because for a skin tint, it does have coverage. So Rihanna, I guess you did your thing, girl. Just my skin type at this very moment, at this very moment in time of day, that made no sense. See what I mean? It's at that time of day where I just can't process anything. I already can't process anything in the morning. I answered the phone today at work. I said 2038 because that's my number at work. And she knew, she laughed. It's okay, but it was still really embarrassing. I don't know. It does look like my skin. It really does look like my skin. But right here is the part where I'm really concerned. I don't like my pores to show. I could use a poreless primer, and it probably would fill in my pores a little bit better, and it would probably give me a better result. But the point of this particular foundation or skin tint, it's supposed to be blurring skin tint, meaning it's supposed to blur over my pores and stuff. And I just don't see it. I just don't see it. And I also might have used too much product, because when you first got out of the shower and you use barely any product, it would probably smooth that in a lot better. So I might have to update you guys on the next video and let you know. But for now, that was the Fenty Eaze Drop Skin Tint, blurring skin tint. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and I hope to see you on the next one. See you later. Guys, quick update. I just went into the bathroom to take off my Fenty blurring skin tint, and I really do like the way my face looks. I actually do like the way my face looks. It's real. I do like it, okay? I take back everything I said. It is not that bad. It does just look like I have fresh, natural, dewy skin in normal light. It's just this lighting's really terrible right here. I don't even know why I got this lighting right here. Okay, I'll see you in the next one.